What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. Today, we got a little bit to talk about before we jump into the main video. For one, I wanted to let you guys know that my wife's company will be launching on March 1st. I'm gonna have a link down in the description below. It won't be live until March 1st, so if you try before then, probably will try when the video's uploaded. It won't be live, but it'll be coming soon. I'm going to be posting it in a few other videos as well, so definitely stay tuned for that. But she's going to be selling her artwork as well as functional artwork pieces, like wine caddies, wine butlers. It's going to have coasters and all kinds of stuff. So definitely stay tuned for seeing some of her artwork as well. But yeah, I also finally got my 2 Fitted hat made. I've been wanting to do this for years. I just didn't really have a design that I kind of fully liked. And then when I came up with the Fitted Squad logo, I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna use that font. But when I went into Lids randomly, I saw this font and I'm like, oh, that's pretty close. It actually probably would fit a little better. So finally got this made. Let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely gonna make a Fitted Squad hat. Let me know if you guys would be interested in purchasing those, because I can get those made and throw it up on the site as well. I usually rock with New Era, as you can see, but I can do the New Era ones, which will cost more, but I can also do just the local hats that they have, if you just want to represent. So definitely let me know if you're interested in that. Oh yeah, I also want to let you guys know, I do have a new merch drop that's going to happen on Friday. That's going to be just a few new designs that's going to be going on the website that's exclusive. They won't be up for too long. I know a lot of my other designs have been up and stayed up, but these will be some exclusive ones, so I'm going to drop those. So definitely cop those if you're interested. It'll be up on Friday. But I also wanted to do a shout out to a company called Super Clean. They reached out to me and said they wanted to send me some product to basically kind of review and go over, see if I like it. So I definitely appreciate that, taking a chance on a smaller channel like mine. But yeah, so they definitely sent out some products. Have this as well as a spray, an aerosol type of spray. Now with this Super Clean spray, it can be used on, like, in the kitchen, the bathroom, on your car. Of course, it was sent for the car mostly for me, but actually, I've been using it more in the house. We use it in the bathroom, cleaning the tub and cleaning the sinks and stuff like that. So it actually is working pretty well. I think this might be our new go-to spray. I haven't used it fully on the car like I wanted to yet. I did use it on the brakes, and that did seem to work pretty well. I sprayed it on the like in the wheel well and everything, and it did clean it, but I really wasn't going too deep cleaning with the wheels because I'm still on my stock wheels. So I haven't really put it to the test on the car just yet. It does say it's for like the engine and things like that, and if y'all know me, I mean, I don't have anything done in the engine bay, so I haven't really been dealing with it, but I'm definitely going to be still putting it to the test. So this isn't the last time I'll talk about it. I'll do another video kind of explaining it once I kind of really get a good use in on the car as well. But I'll throw a link in the description below if you're interested in taking a look at it. Alright, and I also want to let you guys know that I'm going to be uploading some short videos. That's kind of what's trending right now on YouTube. These are probably going to be in between my main video uploads. I'm going to be doing basically features of my car, homies' cars, and things of that nature. And it'll probably be from my phone, because that seems to be the best quality for the shorts. So I've uploaded one so far, going over a kit, and that seemed to do pretty well already. So I'm definitely going to be doing some more of those. So if you see those, don't worry, it's not going to be just shorts, but it's probably going to be between when I'm doing my actual full videos. So that's gonna be what's going on with that. Yeah, so that's actually pretty much it for in terms of regular updates for the channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on into the video. What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. Today, meeting up with the homies. We're gonna hang out for a little bit. Somebody's making a big purchase over at Speed Zone. We probably won't get into it in detail for this video, but stay tuned, we might. Yeah, I gotta run to the post office first, drop off a few orders. Also, don't forget, merch link in the description below. We do have shirts that are not all just related to the channel. We do have some other things, so this is one of the shirts we have as well. So definitely make sure you go ahead and hit up the merch link down below, place your order today, and if you use the code FITTED, you'll get 10% off. So definitely take advantage of that. Alright, there it is. This is getting here to Speed Zone, admiring the drilled slotted rotors and the custom brake colors. Let's see if Shaw is here. Let me know which color and theme you like the most. See if we can get a cold start from Vishal here. I don't know if he's gonna do it. Okay. His Cadillac was crazy. Who's that?
I saw Orlando's back. I saw one of them last night.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like smoking the time.
Yeah, and they switched them up.
Yeah.
We got another one here. Got some wheels on it now. Pretty clean. And it is a manual. Well, you can barely see it. Alright, we done over at Speed Zone. Just came out to eat. I mean, we can get some good shots here. Right. Some real nice shots. I drive. Right? Mm-hmm.
Really want that in the.
Alright. Looking good.
Dude, I could probably get that underglow, the XK glow.
Mm-hmm.
All you need is just a regular kind, like the strips. Yeah. That way it'll cover more of the bottom. I just have to, or whoever gets to put it on, so I can put it on different. It'll be the work. Yeah. Everybody an XK glow.
Alright, yeah, sorry about this, guys. I actually forgot to end the video. We just hung out for a little bit longer. Not much went on, but I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.